Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 with a cracked display and it's not really usable at this point, so let's go fix it. Here we have a cracked display on a Galaxy S22. The screen is completely dead, so there's bleeding on the corner and the other parts of the display is just bright white. So the LED is working, but the LED panel is ruined, so no display. The back cover is also cooked. It's cracked all over, but we're gonna do our best to reuse this later on. It's still gonna be usable as a back cover, although ideally you want to replace this as well. So we remove the back cover as the first step on this repair process and remove all the screws that are holding the main board. We can see the main board up top, then the battery covered by this black film, and then the bottom part is the daughter board, so everything has to go out. So this is the cover. This is also the wireless charging module. We remove all the cables over the battery. You can see the battery now. It's the silver rectangle in the middle. Remove some components. The S22 compared to more modern Samsung devices, they tend to have lots of components that have to be removed. So we have removed the daughter board at this point, and some of the components has to be detached before we can remove the main board. This is the main board. It's still stuck. We don't want to force it because it's got the camera also in that module. Then we remove the components for the front-facing camera and scanners. So on more modern Galaxy devices, this is one piece with the main board. This one is quite tricky. You have tiny screws attaching this component. You also have this flex cable. We need to get it out of the way. So all the components that you can see here, the battery, even the buttons, the side buttons, we'll show you how to remove the side buttons. You have to push it out. So you have the volume rocker. This is the board, and then the actual button has to be pushed out like this. So our replacement display and housing, because they are one piece, they don't come with the buttons. So we have to salvage the original buttons and transfer it to the replacement housing and display. We'll pry off the battery this time. The battery is held on by adhesive, so we need to spray some alcohol on the side, soften the adhesive, and make sure we do it slowly. Not bend the battery because it's highly volatile component. It can explode, it can cause fire if you puncture it or bend it too much. And you can see David has no problem doing that safely. And then the power button has to be pushed out as well, like the volume rocker button. It's quite tricky. There you go. So lots of tiny components, not that much. We have our replacement housing now. Specifically for this S22 model, we need to remove all the adhesive over the tapes. So we are going to reverse the process, push in the volume rocker button, power button, and make sure they're secure, because if we put everything back in and we forgot the buttons, we need to pull them back out so that we can install them. So they are the first to go in. So this is a blank slate. So David is still analyzing which part he can harvest and transplant to the new part. The front camera is gonna go in Also, the screws had to be tracked. So this one as well. So basically, this is the reverse. The last to get out has to be the first to be installed in. So this one is in the main board, and then the front-facing camera. So yeah, if you're gonna DIY this is gonna be tricky, not to be beat around the bush. It's gonna be tricky. If you want to DIY this, make sure you have the proper tools and the proper guide to assist you in performing the extraction of parts. Also, you need to be very careful which replacement component to buy if you're buying online. So lots of things to consider. So if you are going to find an S22 screen replacement, make sure you go to a real pro like David here. So we have done this many times before. This is an actual repair that we did for a client, and we have successfully done this. So we have parts already on standby. If for more common brands and models like Samsung Galaxy smartphones and iPhones, if you have a niche smartphone like the Asus ROG phones, other Chinese smartphone brands, you can message us beforehand so we can source the screen, battery, or other components that you might need specific to your smartphone model. So yeah, you can definitely DIY this fix, but there's lots of things to consider. If you want peace of mind, go to a pro, go to your local repair service technician, and they will be a great help. So this is it. This is a fixed S22. Definitely going to live on for a year or two. We're gonna test this: buttons, cameras, touchscreen, speakers, if they're all working. And we'll throw in this free cover. This is plastic cover. This is not tempered glass, but it's gonna be enough to protect the display from scratches, or if it breaks again, it's not gonna be shattered into million pieces because the cover is holding on to the display. So like and subscribe, guys. Watch our other videos. If you're interested in smartphone repair, definitely subscribe to our channel. And this is gonna be it for us. Thanks for joining, and have a nice day. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.